particularly working in health where people are engaged with communities and young people and families, is that there's an opportunity to take abstract research and turn it into a real life outcome. What they do really well together from what I've seen is that the teams are quite committed to actually having an impact for the health and wellbeing.
Like the cultural differences is not only about the difference in the country culture, it's also about the difference in the work culture.
Some institutions are kind of quite bureaucratic, but other ones are quite nimble and responsive, or can kind of pull off a project very quickly, to time, to budget, and get the results and findings out there.
It's good that we had built this long relationship, that we know each other's work culture as well, and then trying to figure out things how we can work best, making out the best out of our work culture.
My background is international community development, so for me it's been about how do we get to our end users.
I think the experience of the master itself helps me to understand how the researchers see the research and see themselves. And I think the cognitive neuroscience part, like I learned how the brain thinks and then how people communicate with each other and get the message across.
In these kind of projects, which are quite innovative, it involves thinking a little bit beyond the box, figuring out how we're going to manage time zones or different contexts, or what are the best ways to kind of meet the different ways of approaching things.
The research management in UI sort of touch base with many kind of people. So we touch base with the legal person, and then we touch base with the researchers, and then we touch base with the public relation people as well, and also the administrative staff in the general. And then each of them speak different languages.
Problem solving and creativity in a day, as well as the dreaded budget management. So once you've actually built relationships whether it's between the institutions, with the researchers and the community, if everyone gets to know each other, it means that you can continue different avenues of research in a kind of quite effective way that meets the needs of both researchers, institutions and the people they're working for.
Yeah, I think it's exciting to have like this collaborative and converging and different people way of thinking coming together to create something beautiful in the world. Yeah.